get home, it's supposed to be like 45 degrees. Not sunny anymore. Last Tuesday. Oh, listen to that. Crazy. I've got the Dramamine. It's really pretty. You know that? Mm-hmm. So it's the last night, and what you have to do is, if you want assistance with your luggage, you pack up your bags, you tag them, and then you put them outside before 11 p.m. And then when you get off the boat tomorrow, it'll be down in the numbered spot that is on your tag. So that's easy peasy. We have a tag of 6. We have a tag of 6. So then you would look here and you'd find tag number 6, Amber Theater, deck 5, 8:45 to 9 a.m. I think, yeah, that's the tag. That's all the departure times. Outside by the door, 10 p.m. I was wrong. We usually do it like early though, so. Wow. It's getting cold too. Final sea day.
30 knot wind.
No, it's supposed to get worse too, right?
Yeah.
As the night goes on.
As the night goes on, there's storms coming in the Gulf of Mexico, from Mexico, and from the cut of Texas.
Yep, today's our last sea day. It's day 14, and we're heading back to Galveston, Texas.
Bags are tagged and loaded up.
We're all ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go home. I know Jim's not, but we are. We're ready to go home. 2 weeks.
I kind of do.
2 weeks is enough. The holidays are coming. I gotta wrap presents still.
We're trying to decide something else to do though too.
Yeah, we were deciding on plans. We were supposed to do 2 cruises in end of January, beginning of February. And I don't know. It's the exact same cruises we just did. And we're kind of thinking maybe we're gonna go on a road trip instead. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll be doing that instead. Oh, where are you going, Jim? Oh, there you are. Wow, he almost flew away. Whoa! But yeah. So final sea day.
These clouds do not look any kind of friendly though.
It's crazy. People are gonna get sick tonight, I think.
I think so. Did you bring enough Dramamine?
I have enough for the whole ship.
Alright.
So, but,
Well, we passed oil rigs, so we're getting closer.
thank you for watching the last 2 weeks.
Thank you very
We
much.
will be we have a trip to Savannah in 2.5 weeks. We're going to Savannah for 4 days. And we have a little trip to Branson a couple days after Christmas.
Yeah.
So we're going to find something fun to do up there to share with everybody.
Yeah.
So peace, have fun.
Have fun, behave.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Naughty.